Hi guys, today I will show you how to use flower making tool to make flower from chiffon fabric. This flower is made from two side petals, so we have to use two sides of tool to make petal curly. We also need oil lamp and tweezer to make petal egg curly. First step, we use small tool make curly the body of petals. We make like that with 25 pieces of small size. So we will have 20 pieces to make pistol and the last 5 pieces to make the first layer around the pistol. Next step 2, we need make curly 5 small pieces by tweezers. Remember to make tweezer hotter by on the top of the fire, not to touch a fire because it may be get dark. We make curly by rolling petal egg by hot tweezers. Step 3. We make 2 outermost layers. We will use 13 large size. First, we make curly the body of petal by the large tools. And we make curly the petal edge by tweezer, like the first layer around the pistil. So today we learn how to make petal style of flower from flower making tool, and my next video will show you how to connect petal to make complete flower. If you love to learn how to make fabric flower, please like, share and comment in my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the ring button to get notification when I publish the next video. Thank you and bye bye.